Hi, good day. My name is Host Mac and welcome to another condo tour here in One Nara. Let's go! Wow, so upon entering, you'll be greeted with a very, I must say, a minimalist interior, pero napaka-relaxing pa rin niya. So, focus muna tayo dito sa kitchen. So, this one is a very clean white kitchen. And then we have here cabinets, soft-closed. Pero syempre, we also don't want to create much noise if you're preparing. Oh, sorry, that's my bad. Ako yun, pineras ako ng konti. No, and one quirky feature about this cabinet is ito. Now, to save some space, medyo nauuso na rin to, right? So, lots of storage here. And then we have here your stove, your microwave oven, and then we have your ref, sink, and some storage there as well. And then going to this area, you are actually greeted with a round table of 4. Then we have here some pendant as accents. So one feature of this condo is your hidden cabinets right here, and then we have another set right here. Okay, so it is accented by fluted walls as well to match that part of your living or of your dining area. The reason why the designer opted to have those hidden cabinets there is to hide this column. So actually column po to. So to maximize the space as if isang straight siya, no, nilagyan na lang ng cabinets to hide this column right here. So, sobrang na-appreciate yung ginawa ni Sintra Builders here. So, shout out to Sintra Builders for having this one. And then, also, if you want to have a kinda sweet date, no, with your wife or husband, kayong dalawa lang, we have here your bar counter coupled with those pendant lights. And then, moving to this area, what I like about this wall is hindi siya kapareho nung nasa living room, nasa dining area natin. No? So, we have here a wall, a mix of matte and glossy wall, accented by that light. No? It plays out with the shadow, the light, and this is actually my favorite, the color combination here. No? So, sabi sa ni Sintra, ito din yung favorite color combination ni client. So this is a client's request, and that's actually that turned out to be very, very nice looking and relaxing at the same time. So sabi ko, mas parang gusto mo maging industrial pero hindi siya ganun ka rough. So ganun yung dating niya sa akin. Right, so let's go here to this area. Sige, dito. So, we have here your TV, and then Sintra actually added storage here. So, if your kids want to play Xbox, PS5, or what have you, you have those already. So, of course, now, let's go. May tatago po muna ako. Yun, later on. Okay, go here. Before you enter our toilet and toilet and bath area, we have here your wash area. You have here your washing machine, and then the storage for your laundry needs. Ayun. And then, come this way. So we have your shower and a divider here. Very thin glass siya to maximize some space as well. So you can put some plants here. Lots of storage here as well. You have your large mirror. And then, labas ako ulit. Then we can go back now, or we can move on now to your bedroom. So, this is a queen-size bed. Actually, to maximize some space, we don't have side tables here, but the owners can opt to have them installed later on. So we have here pendant lights as well, and of course, accent pa rin dito. So you can put your painting, etc. there. So it gives a warm and cool combination sa lightings natin. And walang wall na blanco. Yun yung goal natin dito. And here, no, this is a very seamless cabinet. So straight siya, galing dito sa wall mo. So isang ganun mo yung cabinet. So what the developer have provided are these cabinets, and then Sintra, of course, we want to maximize space, no, added some layers as well. So you can actually remove this, no, depends on your liking. So you can just put it back here if kailangan mo siya, or if you have tall items, pwede mo siya ilagay dyan. Right? So we have here a 1 horsepower aircon unit, and we also have the vanity area. So Sintra Builders added this as well. So at least, diba, pagising mo sa umaga, you can simply put on your makeup or wipe your face, etc., etc. And then you also will be greeted by the view of Bacolod. Sorry, umulan na ng konti na hindi pa nalinis. But before we turn this over to the client, we'll clean this one. One other quirky feature here is, oops, babalik ako dito. Diyan ka lang. Knock, knock. Is this door. So this is what you call a Jack and Jill door na will provide you with an access to your toilet and bath without leaving, no, the comforts of your bedroom. Kumbaga, you don't need to cross the living room pag may inaasikaso dyan si husband or si wife mo. No, if you're still preparing, you can access the toilet and bath from your bedroom. So this is what we call the Jack and Jill doors. So halika kayo dito. The best reward for the owner is the view of Bacolod City. The good thing about this unit is they're facing the parking lot and the stores there. So parang hindi pa naman siya papatayuan ng building, I think, in the near future. So they can enjoy the view. And actually, no, sabi ko kanina, konting ambon lang, ngayon umuulan na. So you can enjoy the rain and the sunlight, no, of Bacolod. So if you guys have any questions about Sintra Builders, the one who designed and built the interiors of this unit, I'll put their contact details in the description below. And if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want, no, us to feature your unit, or kung meron pa po kayong ibang questions about construction, about real estate, please put your comments down below. And again, this is Host Mac. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo po sa akin sa home tour na to. Ligo na po tayo sa ulan, and I'll see you in our next vlog. Woo! Peace out.